our practices aren't sustainable. You can't look at too many of the systems of Western culture without looking at that curve. You can keep expanding at this rate, but you can't depend on a system that requires expansion. You need to have cycles. There'll be expansion, contraction. You'll build new buildings, people will live in them, they will age, we will have to rebuild them, remodel them, tear them down. Build new or not, move to another place or not. Cities are not permanent. So you either consider that cycle, that long-term cycle of use and development and becoming outdated and remodeled or readapted, or you just end up at a moment where everything's falling apart, you haven't planned, and you move somewhere else. So those are our choices. We are depending on like the peak oil example, which is very difficult for people to understand. Peak oil doesn't mean oil is running out. Peak oil means the price of oil becomes so expensive that it's no longer profitable or feasible to keep expanding our consumption of it, because it will be cheap enough to pay for the things that it's supporting. It gets to the point where the price of getting the oil is more expensive than the thing it allows you to do. You're spending more energy getting energy than it gives you. That's the peak. We're no longer profiting from that ability to have oil in our lives. It gets more expensive to support a car than the benefit it gives a family to own a car. When you get to that moment, if you allow them the choice, oh, we can continue living in a neighborhood where we have to have 2 cars, or we can move to a neighborhood where maybe we could just have 1 car and we'll have a car share, or we'll use the bike. I don't want to give up the car yet, and then they find out they don't need the car. It's beautiful. But that's that peak, that moment where that choice becomes feasible, and then providing those choices for the people who are trying to make their personal life choices and their policy-wide choices and their governmental decision making and